Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix BitLocker. How you can fix a or bypass BitLocker blue screen in Windows 10 or 11. So this is like guide for you because I don't want my computer on a blue screen. So I just want to show you the guide from the website from the easeus.com. This is the software. So in this web, you can learn about what caused the BitLocker recovery mode. So Windows operating system integrates a BitLocker feature that protects the drive from data theft or unauthorized access. So BitLocker recovery screen, which you don't even remember, asks you to enter the recovery key. So the BitLocker recovery screen usually triggers when your system hardware change, when you change the VGA or RAM or even your processor. Your PC is in BIOS and you have installed a faulty update like BIOS Fatal or corrupted Windows update. And also this is the step-by-step workable solution here. The first one is bypass the recovery screen, suspend BitLocker full step. So you can click one by one here. So you have to know your condition. And let's go on here. How to fix BitLocker recovery screen after booting. The first method is suspend. So you can go to your control panel, go to the system security, and this one, BitLocker drive encryption, manage BitLocker. So this one, suspend protection. That's it. You will not see the BitLocker recovery screen when you restart your Windows system. And the second method is the easiest way to bypass the BitLocker recovery screen is to enter the correct recovery key. Most users save their recovery keys in this USB drive. So if you have the keys, so just enter the key. And the third method, switch to the legacy boot. So you have to learn about the BIOS, your system BIOS. So from UEFI to legacy, you have to change. So below are the exact steps to change Windows system BIOS model. So it's very good web to guide you. This is like complete walkthrough, complete guide. And the method 4 is uninstall the newly inserted hardware. So maybe you had a change to your hardware like VGA, just uninstall and then remove the protector from startup disk. If you can't log into your computer even after entering the right key, you have to go to the CMD here. So you have to learn about this. Even you have to reset your forgotten BitLocker pin, BitLocker recovery, and turn off auto unlock option here. So you have to learn more. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.